Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. KBB Alpha here. Today we have another video review and unboxing. Now this product is from Aukey, and it is an RGB gaming mouse pad. And this is an extended mouse pad here. So let's go ahead and unbox and review. Alright everybody, so as you can see, this is the product right here. I did have to zoom out a little bit because I know that once I unfurl this, hopefully there won't be any issues unfurling this time. It's gonna probably take up almost my whole table here. So let's go ahead and unfurl this. Alright, so it did come with its own cable there. User manual, and the warranty card. Let's go ahead and flip this over. And there we go. So let's go ahead and take the USB cable here and plug it in. Alright everybody, so here is the product. It is plugged in. Now the USB cable is a braided cable, which is a huge plus there. I don't know if you can see this here. Let's go ahead and move the light a little bit. Like I said, it is braided, so that is a huge plus. It has less of a chance of getting frayed or even being destroyed. So it does have a longer lifespan there. Now, another thing that I liked about here is that this cable is actually, I would say, almost, or if not over 5 feet in length. And that is a huge plus there in case you need to run this cable behind your computer desk, or if the nearest USB port is far away. So like I said, this is it plugged in. Let's go through the different colors here. Okay, so now it has like a cycling through all the colors. And we're going to go ahead and leave it back to blue, since blue is my favorite color. So I'll go ahead and turn off some of the lights here, and we'll see how this looks like, with some low light settings. Alright, so I turned off all my lights here except for my computer monitor and from the mouse pad here, just so you can see some of the colors more clearly. Let's go ahead and cycle through the colors once again. And there we are, back to blue. Alright, so for some quick measurements here. Now this is the extended extra large RGB mouse pad. Now it does have a length of 35 inches and a width of around 15 inches. So a couple of things right off the bat that I really like about this product is that from unboxing it and unfurling it, there are no bends or any bumps on this mouse pad at all. I've owned some previous RGB mouse pads here, normal and extended. Unfortunately, most of them came with bends here along the LED light strip that I had to try and bend back to its original position, as well as having random bumps here on the mat itself to where it was not sitting flat. As you can see here now, it sits perfectly flat. And I know it's a minor inconvenience. You can always just put something heavy on the bumpy or unflattened part and just wait a couple of days for it to flatten itself out. But, like I said, right off the bat, this came almost immaculate here. No bumps and no bends on the LED light strips. Secondly, what I like about this product is, like I said earlier, it does come standard with a braided USB cable. Now, the braided USB cables do have a longer lifespan. It is pretty much impervious to fraying. Another plus here is that, like I said earlier, it is around 5 feet in length, 5 feet, couple inches, I would say. So, if you do have a USB port that's far away, you'll be able to reach, whatever port or whatever outlet you want to plug this into. So that pretty much wraps up my unboxing and review of the Aukey Extended RGB gaming mouse pad here. If you like what you saw, please, go ahead, like and subscribe. That way I can go ahead and create more unboxing and reviewing content here for you all. So I will see you guys in the next video.